What's up, YouTube? This is a bike check on my bike here. It's a 2011 Miracle Muse. I'm just making a new bike check because I got new parts and shit. And yeah, I gotta start from the first here. I got the Primo grips, blue. They're worn down. I gotta get new ones. Colt leader bars in black. I like them. I got the S&M blue, matte blue stem. I got the Miracle headset, just integrated stock, and Miracle frame, of course. Stock forks, I'm gonna get some new ones. I got the new front and back blue Tamwell Odyssey Path tires, and yeah, I like them better than the black ones. I got the I put my Vean BMX matte blue rims on, double wall. I like them. Never really rode them yet, but they're light. Matte blue Colt pedals, stock cranks. I got the 25 tooth matte blue sprocket off Vean BMX. White cam C-chain. Black and green DK seat. I gotta get rid of it because I got nothing else green on my bike. I got the purple seat post, shadow, and yeah, that's about it. And I was like, let's get sound on my hub here. It's decent. And yeah, I like the bike. It's pretty light now, and in the summer I'll have a video coming of my first edit. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks.